Hey buddy, do you have the hiccups? We're sorry about that. We overfed you. We tried to give you an extra little taste. Oh,
11 days old.
you're a day and a half, a week and a half old. You got the hiccups. You're back up over your birth weight. You're a big dude. Alright, we're going to see if we can get rid of these hiccups, buddy.